Today, we've got an iPhone 12 with a charging issue. The problem is with the charging IC. Let's fix it. First, I'm disassembling the phone and removing the logic board. Now, placing it on the heating platform, and carefully separating the board. Next, I'll heat the charging IC with a heat gun and remove it. Then apply some flux, clean the area, and place the IC back in position. After reflowing with heat, I'll reassemble the phone. And done, the phone is charging perfectly again. If this video helped you, please subscribe to Noor Telecom.